Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Reality Budgets and my name is Victoria. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a requested press-on nail tutorial. So as you can see, I don't have my nails on right now, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk you through the tools that I use and like how I pretty much do them. So yeah, leave me a comment down below to let me know if you found this video useful. Also, if you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. And back to my OGs. You know, I call you my OGs on this channel. Yeah, so I'm just gonna get into this video. Let me know down below if you have any questions and I'll go ahead and leave you a message or to answer your question if I can. And I'm also gonna leave everything in the description box for whatever is still available because I did get this stuff a long time ago. But yeah, let's just get into it. So I'm just gonna move this out of the way. First thing I do is I'll start with a clean paper towel. I have my bowl of warm water. I'll leave that there. And then I'll set out the rest of my tools. So what I will use for this portion of it, because I'm gonna be like cleaning my cuticles and things like that, is I have this cuticle oil. It is a avocado E and for nails and skin. And it's a really, it smells amazing and it really does work well. So I'll leave that there. You want a good cuticle cutter, something that's sharp. So I got this on Amazon. A nail clipper is also essential because I like to just kind of cut everything down so that they're like even. This cuticle pusher and like a cleaner so you could kind of push your cuticles back, and you'll see me use that. This portion, that's really all I use here. I might use a buffer if my nails are like uneven underneath, so I'll leave that here as well. And then I'll show you what I do next. So basically at this point, I'll just go ahead and soak my cuticle. I'm just gonna go ahead and fast forward through this part. You'll see the process, but I'm just not gonna be talking through it. Okay, so now that my cuticles are done, what I'll do is I just wash my fingers to get the oil off, and I'm just gonna buff them so that when I'm starting to put the press-ons on, they have like something to grip onto. Okay, so now that they're just a little bit like rough, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the next set of tools that we use. What I'm gonna do is I'm still gonna have my nail cutter. Now I'm gonna bring out my actual nails. Uh-oh, I think a bag was open. And this I got on Amazon as well. And everybody's nails are gonna be different, so you can measure it. They come with, I think, 10 different sizes, I believe. Like 1 through 9, and they have 2 packs of 5s. I guess this is like a common number, and I think 2 packs of 4s. But my nail bed itself is pretty small, so I use generally the smaller numbers, and the higher the number, the bigger the nail bed it has, and then the lower is like the smaller. So 8 is gonna be on my pinky, 2 is gonna be on my thumb, and then in between kind of the rest. You'll need your glue. And a nail file. So So that is the part that I'm gonna do now. I'm just gonna be placing the nails, cutting them, shaping them, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, so now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just start putting the nails on. So I start with my left hands, and I've been doing shorter nails because I'm typing a lot. So don't get me wrong, I love long nails. It's just been hard to keep up with like typing with the hard nails, with the long nails. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut these down pretty short. So I like to go about here, and remember to leave yourself some space because you are going to file. And I like to just cut on both sides, trim it down, and pull it off. Just make sure you're doing it as like even as possible. So that is what they're going to look like, about that length. So now all I'm gonna do is paint them. So I'll show you all of the things that I use for that. They're nice and shaped. So I use this Beetles base gel. This is to make sure the color stays. I use this Beetles Top It Off top gel. It comes in a 3-pack. One is matte. This one is that shine, you know, like that glossy shine. And then, so I'll probably use one of these. These are the modal lines, or I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but I'll leave it linked in the description box. And I think this is the brown that I want to use. Let's see. Yep. So it's like a chocolate dark brown. I'm going to use that. And then on this nail, I'm probably going to do like a design or something like a marble. So I'll probably pull, let's see, this color to do it. Okay, so these are the 2 colors I'm gonna use. And I also use this hard gel, Morovin hard gel, and it's clear, so it's a builder gel. Basically what I'll do is, so that these last, because these nails are super thin, I'll add that layer of hard gel on top of the colors, and then it'll make it last longer and make it look a little bit more natural because it'll be a little thicker. But before, when I was just wearing the tips, it would just crack really easily. So when I put this on, it just gives it a longer lasting, they could just last longer. So this is the hard gel, and it comes with this little brush. This stuff is really sticky, so you want to make sure that you have your rubbing alcohol available, and just like keep a tissue to the side for that. I'm going to be using this UV lamp to cure them, but I'm going to be doing this off camera because my extension won't, like, it's not that long. So every time I move to the side, I'm just curing it. And what I'll do is I'll just tell you how long I'm curing it for. The first couple of coats, I'll do 60. And then after that, like once I put the top coat on, I'll do 99 seconds. So I'm just gonna fast forward through this, and I'll leave any tips on the bottom in text. And that is it, y'all. Pretty much, I'm not a professional, but I really like the way that my nails come out, and they last a really, normal amount of time. As you can tell, there's like some imperfections. This one, I guess, as I was drying, it just kind of like wasn't straight, but you know what, all in all, it's better than that coming out that way at a nail salon that I paid a lot of money to get them done. So yeah, I hope this was useful. I know it was pretty long, but it does take quite some time. I would say about half an hour. So like block out a half an hour of your time to get this done. But at the end of the day, it lasts about like 2 weeks, sometimes 3, depending. And if you have, because you put that hard gel on it, it won't crack in half. So if it just pops off, it's gonna pop off as a whole, and all you have to do is take some more glue and then add it back on. So like a lot of the times this nail might pop off more often because I guess I'm using it more, so yeah, I hope you like this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I appreciate you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.